In step 8, we're going to be tightening the bolts that hold the uprights into place. Using your Allen wrench, tighten those 4 bolts on the right side. Make sure they're very tight. Then slide the cover down, and using the 3 screws that are provided, tighten those down. Once you're done on the right side, just repeat the same process on the left. We're going to tighten the bolts up that hold that left upright into place, and then put our cover into place and using the 3 screws that were provided. Now we have to plug the machine in, turn the power switch on, and insert the safety key, and your machine is ready to use. In step 8, we're going to be tightening the bolts that hold the uprights